Now that the chamber is ready, let's start measuring. Firstly, let's plug our compatible device into the microscope. The microscope is powered by the mobile device, and the red light will illuminate when the two are successfully connected. Step 1. Open the app and check the settings. Here you can change the language, how many images you capture, chamber height, your choice of staining dye, cell size slider, units of sugar density, sharpness indicator, resolution, manual counting function, and warning options. Step 2. On the main menu, you can choose to either start a new fermentation, continue an ongoing fermentation, complete a single measurement, or check your history. To begin, we are going to complete a single measurement. Step 3. Here you can check your concentration or your concentration and viability. Since we have stained our sample with methylene violet, we will be checking our concentration and viability. Step 4. Place the sample chamber under the microscope. Slide the sample chamber up to the first marking, lightly screwing it into place, turning the focusing wheel counterclockwise. Step 5. Continue focusing until cells come into focus. You will feel the wheel tighten slightly as the pad comes into contact with the chamber. Be sure not to over-tighten, as this can damage the chamber or the optics. Step 6. Take the image. The sharpness indicator on the bottom left helps you to take optimally focused images. Aim for the highest number possible. This number will differ from image to image. Focused images should look like this. Step 7. Click Keep if you are happy with the image. Step 8. You must conduct this step 5 times. Turn the focusing wheel clockwise to release the chamber before moving into the next marking. Click Keep if you are happy with the image, each time moving the position of the chamber to the respective marking. Step 9. In the sample field, enter the name of your sample. Date and time are automatically entered. If you followed this video, you can enter 1 part sample and 99 parts water for the dilution and 1:1 for the sample mix ratio of coloring agent. If required, you can change your start date of fermentation. Include whatever you would like in the comment section. We recommend where the sample was taken from, the type of yeast, and the generation of yeast. Finally, press the Next Step button. Your results will then be sent to the cloud for analysis, with the results being sent back to your device. This analysis and reporting will normally take less than a minute.